We will discuss about how to color specific text. We have the roll number, we have the name, and we have the obtained marks column. We have the percentage cell and we have the criteria. If the person gets less than 60 marks, it will reflect in the red and it reflect fade. And if the person gets more than 60, it will reflect in the pass and pass will reflect in green. Now to test our formula, I just changed the data so you can see here more less than 60 gets filled and it is in red. Again, if I change the data so you can see here it reflects pass and the pass is reflecting in green. This is how we will learn today in this video. Let's start our example. We have the roll number, we have the name column, and we need to find out the obtained marks. We have the total marks column as well. To find the obtained marks, we use the Randbetween function, like Randbetween, and in the Randbetween we have the option which is least value. Bottom we use 250 and for the highest use 400. Close the bracket and enter. Now we need to drag it down the same formula to apply below. But in the Randbetween we have the issue, like if I double click on any other cell, the values will change. That will change the data. Now I select the whole column and copy, and to make the values constant, go here and paste values. Now we need to find out the percentage, like equals to, bracket open, select the obtained marks cell, divide by the total marks cell, then close the bracket and multiply by 100 to change in percentage. Now I need to drag it down to apply the same formula below. Now after getting the percentages, we can test our formula by changing the values. Like we have the percentages, and if I change the value, so it will change the percentage. Again, if I change the value, so it will change the percentage, because as per the percentage we will change our criteria, or as per the criteria we will get our results. And if I again test our formula, so you can see we get the percentage. Now use the conditional formatting. I first select the whole column, or if you don't want, you can first go here in the conditional formatting, and after selecting the whole column, go here in the new option, and in the new option you find the second option, which is format only cells that contain, and in that cell we need the specific text, and in the specific text I write here pass, because I want the result pass in red or the result pass in green. I go here in the format, and in the format we have different options. Like if I double click on it, so, or if I click on it, you can see the border option, we have the fill option, but we need to find the, or we need to color the font. So go here in the font and select the color green, because we want pass in green, and make it bold, and select the cell, okay, and again okay. Similarly, we use the same technique. Select the whole column, go here in the conditional formatting, use new rule, and select the second option, that format only cells that contain. And in the second option we go here in the specific text, and now we need fail as per our criteria, and go here in the format, and In the font tab, we select the color red, which means fail should reflect in red and in bold. Now press OK and again OK. Now only we need to use here if formula like equals to if bracket open, if the percentage is less than, you use less than sign 60, it should reflect inverted comma fail, fail fail, inverted comma close comma, else inverted comma open, it reflect pass, inverted comma close and bracket close. Now press enter. So we got this pass in green color. Now we need to drag it down to apply our whole formula. Now you can see here the pass is reflecting in fail and it is reflecting red, and green is reflecting, or pass is reflecting green. Now we can change the values to test our formula. Again, if I change the values like 281, so it is reflecting pass. Again, if I change the values to 250, it is reflecting pass because again it is in our criteria. And if I change the values to 210, so it says fails and fails in red because it has changed the criteria. This is how you can change the text